Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, June 24th. Nice morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Humidity may creep up a little bit later on today as high pressure pulls off the East Coast. A cold frontal system will approach the East Coast late tomorrow night. It looks like we'll have a round of showers and strong thunderstorms late on Wednesday and especially on Wednesday night. Some of that rainfall will come heavily at times late in the day tomorrow and tomorrow night. All of that moves off the East Coast slowly early Thursday morning. Later Thursday should become more comfortable again, and Friday should be a pretty nice day to close out the work week. Some questions about the weekend right now. There is some unsettled possibilities, maybe a shower or thunderstorm on Saturday and Sunday. We'll monitor that as the next couple of days progress, but the biggest threat right now for heavy rain is late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Let's get into the forecast right now by looking first at the surface map. High pressure, again, off the East Coast this morning. We'll pump in some more humidity later on today on a noticeable south breeze or a southwest breeze. Humidity has been very comfortable over the past few days, but it'll start to become more noticeable later today and especially on the day Wednesday. A couple frontal systems out here in the Midwest, but the real cold front of interest here is situated right out here in the northern plains. This continues to plunge to the south and east over the next 24 hours and will approach the East Coast late tomorrow night. And again, it looks like there'll be some showers and thunderstorms late tomorrow and especially tomorrow night up and down the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City, and some of the rainfall can be heavy at times. Well, here's a look at the current national radar from the Mesonet.org website. Earlier in the week, it looked like there could be some shower thunderstorm activity as early as Tuesday night in the I-95 corridor, but now it looks like that'll pretty much hold off. There are some showers and thunderstorms scattered across northern Pennsylvania right now. Expect those to dissipate. This area will indeed hold together and will produce some heavy rainfall throughout the Ohio Valley, perhaps into the western side of the Appalachian Mountains in western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, by tonight. But it looks like for the most part, the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Philly to New York City should stay on the rain-free side through tonight. And then tomorrow we'll start to look at another round of showers and thunderstorms headed our way from the Ohio Valley. And again, late tomorrow night, some of the rainfall here in the Mid-Atlantic region along the coast can be on the heavy side with some possible strong thunderstorm activity. Here's a closer look at the radar loop in the northeastern part of the country from the Penn State Ewald side. Again, some showers, maybe an embedded rumble of thunder across the northern half of Pennsylvania right now. For the most part, that will miss the I-95 corridor and will stay generally rain-free, it looks like, right through tonight in the I-95 corridor. Some strong thunderstorms and heavy showers will move into the Ohio Valley, but should stay west of the Appalachian Mountains through tonight. Well, let's focus in on this midweek heavy rain threat here in the I-95 corridor. Again, the best chance is late tomorrow and especially tomorrow night. This is the forecast map using last night's 0Z GFS model run for this evening. Notice this upper level feature here. This is the 500 millibar forecast map. Wanted to first point out that there is a significant upper level shortwave that will contribute to the potential for heavy rain and strong thunderstorms here late tomorrow and tomorrow night. By tonight, strong upper level low over the northern plains associated with some heavy showers and strong thunderstorms out over the northern part of the country later today and tonight. Let's now jump ahead 24 hours. And indeed, by tomorrow evening, that trough in the upper part of the atmosphere moves right towards us into the eastern part of the Great Lakes. Upward motion out ahead of it will contribute to the potential for some strong thunderstorms late tomorrow and tomorrow night. And included in that will be the threat for some heavy rainfall. Well, now let's walk through the surface forecast maps from last night's 0Z GFS model run. This is for this evening, and we talked earlier about the fact that it should stay rain-free up and down the I-95 corridor through this evening, and indeed the GFS is not depicting any precipitation just on the other side of the mountains. However, there certainly can be some heavy showers and thunderstorms by later tonight across western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, but east of the mountains should stay relatively rain-free through most of tonight. Let's now jump ahead 12 hours. And here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. Kind of quiet ahead of the the activity that I expect to develop later on tomorrow. By this time, cold frontal system moving into the Ohio Valley. Some showers and thunderstorms depicted here by the GFS out over the Ohio Valley. A dry morning, most likely here in the I-95 corridor. Let's now jump ahead 12 hours to Wednesday evening. This is when the real action begins. And by Wednesday evening, general low pressure moving in with its associated cold frontal system into the I-95 corridor region, the eastern part of the Mid-Atlantic region by late tomorrow and tomorrow evening. Some heavy showers and thunderstorms will indeed break out, and their threat exists for some heavy rainfall in D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City late tomorrow afternoon, more likely tomorrow night as this frontal system works its way through the region. Let's now jump ahead to Thursday morning's forecast map. By Thursday morning, that low pressure moving into New England. There can be some residual shower activity early Thursday, especially in New York City, maybe a little bit less of a chance in Philly, and the least likely would be in D.C. on Thursday. Thursday itself should become more comfortable, still very comfortable temperatures by later Thursday. Humidity levels will drop as that fresh air mass moves in. Again, another Canadian high pressure system moves in towards the Mid-Atlantic region, New England region for the end of the work week. No excessive heat is expected anywhere up and down the I-95 corridor, right through the work week and right through the upcoming weekend. Very likely will not even reach 90 degrees in Philadelphia, for example, right through Sunday. So again, more comfortable conditions move back in on Thursday, following the potential for some heavy rainfall late Wednesday afternoon and especially Wednesday night, with some strong thunderstorms included in that mix as well. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.